We are pleased to show you the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front passenger seat cushion. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.